Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So, today I am going to discuss worksheet number 3 of lesson verbs. So, in this worksheet, we will fill in the blanks with the help of the words grid that is given here. Okay, we have to find out verbs from this word grid and then we will complete the blanks that are given just before this grid. So let us find out the verbs at first. First one is already given to you, that is began. Then after find out disturb. We have different verb disturb. One more verb here. Then go. Okay. Then wake or waken. Okay. It can be wake or waken. Then we have placed or place accordingly. Then we have open or opened. Then eat. Then forgive. Okay. Then sad or aid accordingly. Laugh or laughed. Allow or allowed. Okay, so we have found many verbs, so let us do them here. Once a lion was asleep in the forest, a little mouse began running upon him. This dashed the lion. This wakened the lion. जाग गया lion इससे. The lion got angry. We have found verbs from here, from this grid. Okay, how dare you disturb me? He rode and dashed his huge paw, opened upon the little mouse. He dashed his big jaw, opened to dash him, to catch him. But we had to find out. Opened, eat, forgive, big jaw to eat him. Okay, please, now he is feeling sorry. Forgive me, said the mouse. I will dash you someday, help you someday. The lion laughed and allowed him to go. So these are the answers of this worksheet number 3. So let us move on to worksheet number 4. In this we also have to fill in the blanks with the help of the add box that is given here. So add box has many words: move, try, block, obey, are, reach, fail, he, occur, etc. So let us fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks on the basis of the picture that is given here. This is a picture of a traffic jam. So what side can be seen there, that is also visible. Let us complete this. Traffic jams are a common sight these days. During the traffic jams, vehicles dash ahead at the speed of snails. Vehicles move ahead. Trucks and buses dash the road, block. Then the policeman on duty dash, obey or reach, fail, try their best, but they dash to control the traffic, but they fail. Traffic jams occur because people do not dash traffic rules, obey. During the traffic jams, one can dash the driver shouting at each other. One can hear. Traffic jams dash at any time of the day, occur. For school children, traffic jam is a great boon because children have an excuse to reach school late. So these are the answers of this practice exercise. Move on to next page. That is our do it yourself exercise. Let us do it as well. Read the lines taken from the story. What is really important? Unit sports of My English Reader, that will tell us what sportsman spirit is. Underline the action word. So this is your homework activity. Do it in your homework. We will discuss the answers tomorrow. You have to find out action words, verbs find करने हैं आपको. Next question 2. Look at Alina's daily timetable given below. You can see the timetable that is given here. Yes. Then we, on the basis of this timetable, we have to fill in the blanks. Whenever we have to fill in the blank, we use present continuous tense or simple present tense. Okay, so here we'll use simple present tense as the time is also given, and this is a routine, daily routine, habit of someone. So where there is a habit of some people, some children, some anybody, then we use simple present tense to fill in the blanks. So the first one is Alina is able to do all her work well because she has made a timetable for herself. She wakes up at 6:30 every morning. At 7:30 a.m. what does she do at 7:30 a.m.? Goes to school. She goes to school. She dashed to school from 7:45 a.m. Attends school. To 1:45 p.m. She dashed back home at 2 p.m. She reaches home. She dash her clothes, change. So she changes. We will put s or es with the verb. This is simple present tense. Her clothes and dash lunch between 2 p.m. Eats. Lunch between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. she dash 3 to 4. Watches TV and listen to music. Watches TV or listen to music. She dash from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. 4 to 5:30 play. So she plays. She dash for 2 hours from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. What does she do? Study. She studies. Okay. She dash her dog for a walk from 7:30 to 8. Takes dog for a walk. She takes her dog for a walk. Okay. She dash dinner. Eats dinner. At 9 p.m. she goes to bed. So I hope that you have understand this activity. So tomorrow we will discuss this homework activity with this one activity. Okay. So that's all for today. Keep on learning and revising.